so you only need to say, Happy birthday, Ate CJ!
Tita.
In the longest way, okay? So kung sinong pinakamataas or pinakamahabang seconds ang nakuha, ay siyang mananalo na pa-prizes from Johnny. So mapupunta yan sa inyo pag ginalingan na, okay? Okay, so Kuya Julia, ready ka na? So inhale, exhale muna tayo, Kuya. Inhale.
1 minute, 1 minute.
Exhale. Okay, ready? Okay, so sa lahat po ng mga guest, mami, daddy, or guardian, sabayan niyo po si Ate Grace magbilang kung ilang seconds po ang makukuha nila at palagi po natin silang papalakpakan pagtapos po nila natin. Okay? Okay, so ready? Ready, set, go!
Happy birthday, CJ!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Senior na, senior. Ay, tulog muna tayo. Ah!
Anak ko yan! Anak ko yan!
Ano si mami, daddy? Tulong mo sa akin.
Anak ko! Anak ko!
Galing, galing.
Ano yung senior? Si mami o si daddy? Mami, pwede mong sample, mami. Sample. Okay, ngayon, so, Kuya Zaki, can you beat the 36 seconds of Kuya Juliet?
Yeah.
Tingnan natin, ha? Ready?
Go, Daddy! Go, Daddy and Mommy!
Ready, set, go! Happy birthday, Ate CJ! Ate, go!
Dapat diretso na.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10!
60, 70.
Yay!
Baby mo kasi siya, di ba? Nagtibyan ko ba, happy birthday ko, Ate CJ? Yung pating na sa'yo. Parang mga nila ba si Kuya Jackie? Good job, Kuya! Dito ka muna sa side, Kuya. Okay, so next one we have, hello, Ate girl, what's your name?
Rafa.
Ate Rafa, so Ate Rafa, can you beat the 36 seconds of Kuya Juliet? No? Pero do your best, ate, okay? Okay, so inhale, exhale muna, ate. Inhale. Exhale. Yan, ready? Ready, set, go!
Happy birthday, Ate CJ!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27 seconds! Very good, ate. Thank you so much. Ate pa ka na, ate girl. Thank you. Okay, so next one we have, hello po. What's your name?
Here.
Shie. Okay, so, Kuya Shie, how old are you na po?
5.
5 years old. So, are you ready to play na po?
Yeah.
Yes. Ang English share na talaga po. Okay, ready? So you only need to sing, Happy birthday, Ate CJ! In the longest way, Kuya. Can you do that, Kuya? No! Kaya mo yan. Okay, ready? Ready? Ano na?
Yes, right.
What did you say?
Yes, right.
Nakikitin ko, ha? Diyos ko. Kapag ako yung umano rin sa loob, dumugulan yung ilong ko, Diyos ko, panguna nga ako. Okay, so, you only need to say, Happy birthday, CJ! In the longest way. Can you do that, Kuya?
Yeah!
Yeah! Okay, ready? Kailangan ko. Palakpakan niyo naman ako. Ready? Ready, set, go! Okay. One more. Go!
Happy birthday, Ate CJ!
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Okay, at ayaw din po ni Ate Grace ang malungkot na bata kaya lahat na
Say thank you!
Okay, tingnan natin kung sino Last two players na lang sa girls. Tingnan natin yung mga volunteers perform. Wow, grabe si Mama Jones. Paglalaglag. Sa Manila. Okay, wow, galing. Pag natalo, magtitiktok. Pag natalo, magtitiktok. Okay, last one.
Lalaki lang kami.
Ayun, fantastic brain dance. Guys, Ate Good, ready? Ate ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Ate ready? Ate Good, wow! Ate ready? Ate Good, pwede na sa pagis. Okay, so palakpakan na naman sila guys. At syempre may dalang regalo si Jollibee para sa ating birthday girl. Kasi Ate CJ, so kunin mo na Ate CJ yung gift ni Jollibee for you. Happy birthday po! Yes, happy birthday! 17 years old. Tapos si Jollibee daw. Wow! Uy! Happy birthday, CJ! Okay, so gusto niyo ba makita sumayaw si Jollibee? Yes, I guess daw na talaga nag-aabang sila. Okay, so bago daw po sumayaw, magpakitang gilas po sa inyo lahat si Jollibee at syempre si Ate CJ. So, pakialign lang po muna ang ating mga Jollibee, especially po yung may mga dala po pong medyo baby pa. So, pakihawak po muna sila ng maigi dahil baka po sila ay matamaan or matapangan ng cute at malalakang kamagyan ang best ng lahat. Jollibee! Malakas na palakpakan para kay Jollibee and Ate CJ. Ayaw, walang magpapakita para kay Ate CJ and Riley. Thank you so much, Ate CJ. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. One more time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Okay, so bago po ito ni Ate CJ ang kanyang kandila, sabay-sabay po natin isigaw, Happy Birthday CJ in 3, 2, 1!
Happy birthday, CJ!
Ayaw, parang para ba natin si Ate CJ, guys? Isang hipan lang yun Namatay yung tatlong kandila Okay, so this time tatanungin po natin ang kanyang mommy and daddy kung ano po ang wish or message po nila para kay Ate CJ. So, umpisa na po natin kay mommy. Mommy, ano po message or wish niyo po?
Hi CJ, happiest birthday. I wish you all the best in the world and good health and happiness always. And Daddy, health.
What she said. Well, we want to wish you the happiest birthday. We love you very much. And I'm so glad that you got to meet your Filipino family. They're always going to be here for you. So, happy birthday. And I hope you enjoyed your surprise birthday party.
Thank you, everybody! Para kay Ate CJ, sana siya yung laging, ano pong